Okay, guys, today I'll be doing a unboxing video of the Sync Raging Kale light I received from LED Grow Lights Depot, Sync LED. This packaging slip. I already cut it open, or I thought I cut it open. Let me finish cutting it. Okay, very nice tight package, wrapped right, no damage. A nice little piece of weight to it. This is the Raging Kale. Wireless controlled. Looks good to me. Gonna hook this bad fella up. They also put inside insulation. Good.